Warning, warning, warning! The following video you are about to see contains graphic content and lip smacking. Viewer discretion is advised.
What's up, No Shine Gang?
Hey, bitch.
It's your girl, Unapologetically Me, and today, guys, I am just here to bring this video that was requested, and it's a belching video. Just burping, just making burping sounds. So that's what we're doing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But for the one that requested this, I hope that you really enjoy this. So what I did, I just put a bunch. Well, actually, I was having acid reflux. It was acting up on me, so I just took advantage of it and went ahead and just put all the belches together. Excuse me, guys. I forgot I need to be looking right here. I'm so very sorry, but it's this one person that joined my page, and he loves to hear me belch. But I'm not finna be going around just belching like that. I don't want to be, because once you start doing that, your body will just keep doing it. I'm not, So I belch because I have acid reflux, and it's actually when a lot of air gets, go down in your throat. It's acid reflux. It's a stomach issue and the esophagus and all that, but I'm talking about when it's really bad. And you wouldn't think, but this is my perception of it. It seemed like when I be talking a lot or something like that, and air, you're constantly sucking in air. And I just start belching. And then sometimes, like when it's really bad, I'll just, I could drink some, automatically I'm going to belch. Most people do. But as people with acid reflux, they really belch. And then, or I could be eating and belch. Also, y'all probably won't believe this, but if I get in the shower and the water's just hitting my skin, I belch. I belch in the shower. So yeah, but this one guy, he was like, could you just do a burping video? And I'm like, no, because I already belch enough, and I don't want to be sitting around just making myself belch. No, sometimes that stuff hurts. But anyway, so sometimes my acid reflux be just acting up, and I'll just be walking around the house belching. So that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be a belching video, and I hope the person that requests this really like it. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to turn the camera off now. And just when I feel, when I start having a belch attack, that's like more than 2 belches. When they're just coming back to back, I'm just going to pop in periodically and just belch. And yeah. So if you don't like that kind of stuff, I advise you to probably just go ahead and exit to the left. So, okay, guys, but alrighty. I'm just sitting at my desk looking at videos, and every time I feel a belch come on, I'll just go ahead and turn this on. I'm sorry I'm looking rough, guys, but I've been at work today, and I just got off about an hour and a half ago, so I'm kind of like worn out. But anyway, so yeah, see y'all at the next belch. No. I am so sleepy, y'all. See y'all on the next belch. As soon as I feel them, I try to cut the camera on. Ooh. Okay, see y'all on the next belch. I told you if I get to talking too much, honey, and sucking in that air, honey, here they come. But at least we know I got a healthy gut. Well, it may not be healthy, but it's not diseased. I had to come right back because I felt it coming. A lot of belching going on. I'm looking at YouTube, guys. Ooh. I've been staying up late, guys. That's why I'm like,
y'all know I like cheese.
Hold on. That's why I am like tired for the last 2 nights, and then I had that colonoscopy. I guess today will be the 3rd day. I had it on Tuesday of this past week, and today is Saturday, so about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This will be the 4th day. So, and y'all know I cooked that same day.
What?
That chicken and dressing. When I came home from surgery, I think I took a nap for about a couple of hours, and I was up cooking. That's the day I cooked that food. That's why I'm bouncing like on the cooking tutorial, like, well, what's on that? Because that anesthesia was still on me. But anyway, guys, so yeah. But I'll probably, if another belch comes, I'll come back in. But until then, I think this video is going to be a wrap because it's just going to be a short belching video. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish looking at YouTube. And if I feel a belch coming on, I'll hit the record button. I thought I felt one. I feel it, but it ain't there yet. So I'll see y'all in a minute. It came.